Good morning. Happy Tuesday. We are on lesson 8.11 and we are continuing to work on adding multi-digit or two-digit numbers. Today is going to look a little bit different though because we know the first add-in and we know the total at the end. What we don't know is the second add-in, the second number that's being added together. So that's what we're trying to figure out. So we're going to be working on that today. So to start with, I have my equation here, 27 plus blank equals 50. So I'm trying to figure out what goes in this blank. 27 plus what equals 50. To show you over here on my, how I'm going to get there using tens and ones, I'm going to use my dot array for this equation. But then coming up, I'm going to show you how to do it just using sticks and circles. I just wanted you to be able to have this visual of making a 10. So the first thing I'm going to do over on my dot array is I'm going to make my first number 27. So this is 10, this is 20, and then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So there is 27 on my dot array. Now I need to figure out how many more I need to get to 50. So here I go. I'm going to count on using my dot array. So I'm at 27, 28, 29, 30. I'm at 30, which is a 10. I need to get to 50. So I know I need all of this because that's 40 and then 50. Now on mine, it's super easy to see because I'm using different colors, and on yours, you're going to be using pencil. So it's not going to be as easy to visually see the answer. But here I had 27, so 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and then I added on. So 1, 2, 3 here, plus 2 tens. So in order to count, I start with my tens, 10, 20, and then my ones, 21, 22, 23. So I got 23 using my dot array. So in order to check that, I can add my two numbers together and see if I get 50, because that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the number I would add to 27 in order to get 50. So I'm going to start here in the ones place. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. So the 0 goes in the ones place because that's in the ones place. The 1 goes over here to the tens place with a new group above. And then I have 2 plus 2, which is 4, plus 1 more is 5. So I came up with the correct answer because here is 50 and here is 50. Before we go to our next equation, I just wanted to remind us when we say tens, we are talking about these numbers that are tens. They have a 0 in the ones place and they have a number in the tens place. Okay, so let's count these. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, so we're going to have to remember that when we're working on our next equation because we're going to make ones, count on ones until we get to a 10. Then we're going to count tens and then ones at the end if we need to, and that'll make more sense during the next equation. So here is a word problem. I have 46 cents. I want to buy a book for 95 cents. How much more money do I need? And because those keywords are super important, the word that tells me here that I'm looking for another add-in are the words more money. Okay, so it's telling me I have 46. I want to get to 95. This is how much I have now. I need some more money, and then I'm going to get to 95. So without that dot array, here's how we could solve our equation. We're still going to start with our first number, 46, and then we're going to use circles and sticks to get to this number at the end. So 46, not a 10, so I'm going to make ones until I get to the next 10. If I look at the tens place, I see a 4. So the next 10 after 40 is going to be 50. So I make ones, circles, until I get to 50. So 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So now I'm at 50. Now I'm going to make tens sticks until I get to this number here, this 10, which is 90. So if I'm at 50, that's going to be 60, 70, 80, 90. Now I'm at 90. Well, I need to get to 95. That's what's in my ones place. So I need to keep counting. Now I'm back using ones again though. So I'm at 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Now I count. I always start counting using my tens first. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. I got 49 as my answer. Now I can check using addition. I'm going to just erase some of my work. Oh, that's not going to let me erase. So I'll just try to write it over here. 46 plus 49. I'm going to do new group above. So I'm starting here in the ones place. 6 plus 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, the 5 is in the ones place, so I put it down here in the ones. The 1 is in the tens place, I carry it on top. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. And how did I get those numbers? 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. I get a 9 in my tens place, and here I have 95, and here I have 95. So my math was correct. Okay, so here's my proof here in my equation that I was able to find the correct number. So to re-step what we did here, we started with our first number, our first add-in, 46. We used ones until we got to the next 10. I was at 40. The next 10 after 40 is 50. Then I made 10 sticks until I got to my tens place here, 90. And then I continued to make ones until I was at 95. And I got 95 right here from my equation. It says, I want to buy a book for 95 cents. So those are the steps for using sticks and circles in order to find that missing add-in. That's what you're going to be doing today on page 241. I want to see those sticks and circles. I want to see the work that you are doing in order to find your answers. That helps me figure out what I need to focus on for my next video.